Welcome back, trader. Today we will conduct a detailed analysis of Tesla's chart, focusing exclusively on the weekly time frame. This approach can be applied across multiple time frames to gain a comprehensive perspective on Tesla's potential future direction and optimal trading strategies. Analyzing the weekly chart, we observe 6 consecutive red candles, with a recorded low near 220 at the time of this analysis. Historically, Tesla has rarely experienced more than 6 consecutive red candles. This historical pattern is a key factor suggesting the potential for a reversal, indicating that a green candle on the weekly time frame may emerge in the near future. Even in a downtrend, a stock will present multiple opportunities for temporary reversals, often referred to as bounce plays. While these bounces may not signal a full trend reversal, they can provide short-term swing trade opportunities, sometimes yielding profits within just a few days. By adding key support levels, I identify potential areas of value around 214, 183, 139, and 102. The nearest support at 214 is just $6 below this week's recorded low, making it a crucial level to monitor for potential reversal signals or bullish candlestick patterns. The weekly RSI indicates that Tesla is approaching oversold territory, suggesting a potential area of value. Historically, the RSI on the weekly time frame has not dropped below 27. Currently, it sits at 34, just 7 points above its all-time low, highlighting a key level to watch for potential reversal signals. When applying our Custom Pivot Pro TradingView indicator, Tesla currently signals a short trend and a bearish strategy. This setup is often favored by short traders, while long traders typically wait for signs of reversal on broader time frames, such as the daily, weekly, or monthly charts. Utilizing these wider time frames provides a more comprehensive perspective on trend analysis and potential shifts in market direction. Tesla has an average true range, ATR, exceeding $10, indicating significant price fluctuations that create substantial swing opportunities. However, before fully committing to a long swing trade, I need confirmation of a true reversal on both the daily and weekly timeframes. Until then, I monitor the smaller 4-hour time frame for early indications of a shift. Setting alerts helps me stay informed when bullish reversal signals emerge. When Tesla maintains a bearish short trend on higher time frames, I can trade in that direction with greater confidence. Tesla is currently displaying bearish sentiment, with short selling remaining favorable until a significant reversal is confirmed on broader time frames. If you found this chart analysis helpful and want to see more breakdowns like this, be sure to like and comment below. If you made it to the end of this video, you're a true legend. Your likes, comments, and subscription to the channel inspire me to continue creating more content like this. Drop a comment below and share the key levels you're watching for Tesla. Until next time, stay green, my friend.